Hi guys, my name is Yajat, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the Amphitweet editor to make videos for the platform. So the first thing that you'll need is a tweet, and more specifically you'll need the tweet ID. Tweet ID is a unique ID associated with every tweet, and it can be found in the URL of the tweet. All we have to do is copy and paste this onto our platform in the tweets box, and when you press on this plus icon, it asks you for the tweet ID. One good thing about this is you can load multiple tweets by providing all their tweets IDs in comma separated values, and it is going to load all those tweets in one shot. So let's load this tweet now, and you can see that the tweet has been loaded. Now we can add this tweet onto our canvas by clicking on it. So over here we are prompted with which type of tweet I want to load onto the canvas. Here we have two types of tweet. We have TTS tweet and just tweet. A TTS tweet is a tweet with narration, and just tweet is just the pictorial representation or the picture of the tweet without any narration. So in this demonstration, let's go and make this a TTS tweet. So let's do that. We currently support 4 different voices, which is male 1, female 1, male 2, female 2. For this specific tweet, let's go for the male 1 voice. As you can see, the tweet has been added onto the canvas. Now all we have to do is scale it, center it, and preview the audio.
I promise I will never make fun of JavaScript again.
That looks good. Let's go ahead and add another scene. Now, a scene is a part of a video where narration is changing. So you could think of scenes as different chunks of the video where some shift in narration or some shift in the video flow is taking place. When you click on the new scene, you're given a blank canvas where you can add more tweets. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's say we want to take this tweet. We do the same thing. We copy the ID. And this time let's add the tweet using the toolbox. So you can add a TTS tweet right away here. You can click on this, paste in the ID, paste in your flavor of voice, and the tweet gets added. The difference between the elements and the tweet box is that elements are specific to each scene, while the tweet box is available for all the scenes. So here we can see that this specific scene that we added in the tweet box is available both in scene 1 and scene 2, but the scene 2 tweet is not available in scene 1, and it's more specifically for the scene 2. Let's go ahead and preview the audio for the scene 2.
At the premium seems like you'll never have closure with JavaScript.
That seems right. Now you can control the duration of the scene by using this slider here. Let's add a background video now. So you can click on the background video button and choose a file from your computer or paste in a direct video link. Let's go ahead and choose a file from our computer. You can control the background video's volume by using this slider and click on save. You might notice that the background video is not updated on the canvas, and to preview the final video with the background video and all the tweets and all the scenes stitched together, you can click on this I button.
I promise I will never make fun of JavaScript again. It seems like you'll never have closure with JavaScript.
So that seems like the video is complete, but there's one small detail missing. The scene 2 is a reply to the scene 1's tweet, and it would be nice if you could have a reference tweet to scene 1 on scene 2. So to add the scene 1 tweet on scene 2, we can use the tweets box. You can come to the tweet box and click on the tweet again, but this time let's choose 2 because we do not want the narration of this tweet in this scene. So now let's look at the final preview of the video.
I promise I will never make fun of JavaScript again. It seems like you'll never have closure with JavaScript.
So we can go ahead and publish this tweet on the Amphitweet platform for other users to discover. You can do that by clicking on this button, and it asks you for a caption. The render process takes some time to stitch your video together and post it onto the platform. This usually takes up to 2 to 3 minutes. A word of caution before we wrap things up here. By the design of the video, you should not have more than one TTS tweet in a scene. If you want to add more than one TTS, make sure you divide it into multiple scenes. By doing this, you avoid the narration overlap that might be caused by adding 2 or more TTS tweets in a scene, like what has happened here.
At the premise, seems like never have fun of JavaScript.
When you're working with TTS tweets, make sure you preview the audio and the time on each scene is getting updated accordingly. This is a known bug in the current system where the time does not get updated and requires some manual modification. Thank you for watching, and I hope that clears how the editor works, and I'm looking forward for people to build some creative content onto this platform. See you!